Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, we had to do a little grocery shopping. I was supposed to be going in the store for only a few things, but as you can see, I pretty much went overboard. I'm sure I'm not the only one that go in the grocery store for just a few things and then end up buying almost the whole store. And I caught myself eating before I go to the store. I did, and I still came out with all this food. Shame on me. But anyway, at least we have the food here in the house. I always said, you know, it's better to have more than less. So anyway, let me show you what we got. We have some Simply Strawberry Lemonade. We have a nice Simply Peach drink here. I never tried this before, but I love the flavor of peach, so I'm sure that's good. We have some Ocean Spray Cranberry Juice. We have some Alaska Salmon Burgers. We have some veal Parmesan patties there. Have you guys ever tried this? I mean, it's a quick and simple dinner. All you need to do is just heat that up in the oven, put it with some rice and some veggies, and you have a complete meal. I like it. I think it's good. We like it here. Then we have some Minute Maid juices. One mango punch, one tropical punch. We have 2 cans of the 4C iced tea. I love this brand. I think this brand is better than Lipton. We like this. I love making pictures of tea. Then we have some baby spinach. We got 2 of these because you know when you cook spinach, it always shrinks. So I like to saute this with garlic. Tastes so good. Paired up with some chicken. Got some Oreo low-fat yogurt for Noonie. She wanted to try that. So she's trying to eat a little better, so she wanted to try like different snacks or whatever. So I got different types of yogurt. We're not yogurt eaters. My oldest daughter Lily, she eat yogurt, but she's the only one. I'm not really a yogurt eater either. So I mean, I may try some of this. I just don't like the taste of it and the texture, but I'll try. I like the flavor of black cherry and strawberry banana, so hopefully it's good. So we got some green zucchini here, and then we have some cucumbers, and we have some lettuce because we're going to make a nice grilled chicken Caesar salad this week for dinner one day. Then we have a bag of Fuji apples. We have mandarin oranges. We love these. That's a quick snack. They usually be really sweet. Okay. Then we have a few canned goods here. We have a mixture of cream corn. We also have some string beans, French style. We also have regular cut green beans as well. And then we have regular sweet whole kernel corn. Actually, no, that's the sweet cream corn. We have the whole kernel corn here. Okay, I just got a few cans of each. Then we have some orange juice. Okay. We have some apple juice. And then we have some vanilla wafers. Noonie likes snacking on these during school. So got some of that. So let me take a walk around here. I missed a few things on this side. So right here, we got some Goya yellow rice. Down in here, this is some elbow macaroni. Okay. Then we have right here some Eggo blueberry waffles. Then we have some Mrs. Paul fish sticks. Okay. Put that there. Then we have some whole fruit bars. We have some wingettes. We love these. Actually, I prefer the wingettes other than the whole chicken wings. I just think they cook much faster, and it's very easy. They're usually cleaner than the whole pieces of chicken. So I usually get the bag of wingettes. We have some Orville Redenbacher popcorn. Are any of you coffee drinkers out there, y'all? So I tried this brand of coffee. This is so good. I love the flavor of coconut and caramel, so I'm like, let me try this. This coffee is delicious, and I usually pair it up with the Coffee Mate caramel macchiato. So good. You guys need to try this. I'm sure you'll like it. So we got some pancake mix here, some syrup, some hamburgers. We have some triple cheddar shreds. And what is this? This is the maple glazed ham. Okay. We also have a chicken stir fry package here. So I said, couldn't leave that there. We have everything you need all in one. So I love packages like this. Nice and convenient. Then we have some nice steaks. Hubby gonna throw those on the grill. So we'll probably marinate these babies up real good. Get those ready for the barbecue grill. We have some cheese. And hubby picked up some pepperonis and salami. So he usually eats these with some crackers. He take that to work, so that's pretty much his lunch. Okay, we have some grape tomatoes here. We also have some yam patties. Have any of you guys seen this? They don't sell them everywhere. I realize in different states they may not have these available, but I love these yam patties. We've been using these for years. And it's regular sweet potato yam patties, and you just flavor them the same way you'll make sweet potato yams, and it comes out very, very good. And we usually, you can either put it in the oven or you can cook it on top of the stove. Either way, it's good. We got some bananas. We also have some cherries here. I hope they're sweet. I know it's cherry season, so hopefully they're nice and sweet. Okay, so we got some Yoo-hoo here. Old school drink. Then we have our strawberry banana smoothies. We had to get 3 at a time because we all love strawberry banana smoothies, and these things will just go quickly. Okay, so we usually get extra. So we got 3 of those, and I bought this for the first time. So this is a coconut almond milk blend, and you know I'm gonna pair it up with that coffee right there. I cannot wait to try it. Hopefully it's good. All right, so I think I showed you guys everything over here. I believe we've seen everything. So now we'll take a walk over here. So over here we have some sweet potatoes. We never bought this before. These sweet potatoes are steamable and they're already diced. So I said, why not? So we grabbed 2 bags of those. We got some Hawaiian rolls. You can never go wrong with these. My daughter would grab 2 of these in the morning. She'll make her a cup of hot tea and call it a day. All right, we have some grilled chicken breast. This is going to be for our salad. Then we have some chopped onions and chopped peppers. So I would usually grab these because sometimes I'm lazy when I'm cooking and it's the same thing already chopped up. Sometimes I don't feel like chopping up onions and peppers all the time. Depending on what I'm making, like if I'm making like a pepper steak or like a dish that's going to require just larger pieces of onions and peppers, that's something different. But if I'm just like flavoring these inside like some type of sauce or gravy, I'll just use this because it's much quicker. Then we got these here Clancy pretzels. These things are so good. And we all love them because, you know, we can, when we're about to leave the house, we could just come downstairs, open it up, and grab a couple of pretzel sticks in the morning if you don't have time to eat breakfast. Just something to put on your stomach so that you're not tired throughout the day. Then we have some asparagus here. We love asparagus. We'll put some minced garlic on this with some olive oil, salt and pepper. Put it in the oven, roast it up, or either put it on the barbecue grill. You just don't know what you're missing. Then we have some Jimmy Dean bacon. Okay, we love bacon here as well, so we'll use Jimmy Dean, Oscar Mayer, or either the black label. Okay, next we have some more minced garlic. I'm knocking stuff over. What is this? Oh, this is Italian seasoning. So we needed more Italian seasoning. We needed some onion powder. We needed garlic salt. I don't use just any kind of garlic salt. I love this brand because it has the little parsley flakes inside. and it always gives your foods a really good flavor. Okay, then we have to get some more garlic powder. We have to get some more lemon pepper as well, and I got another garlic powder because we use a lot of garlic here. We have to get some stick butter. Then hubby got him some sliced mushrooms. I don't eat mushrooms, but he loves them, so he'll probably grill these up with some other vegetables. Like, he usually make his vegetable blends for dinner. If he wanted to just have like a full vegetarian dinner, that's what he'll have. He's not a vegetarian, but he's trying to eat better. You know, he's very health conscious, and he's, you know, just trying to do the right thing. He's staying away from meat as much as possible, so he usually grab extra vegetables to make his vegetable blend. We grab 2 dozen of eggs. Noonie usually get up in the morning sometimes as well and make her some eggs. Lily like to make eggs in the morning as well. Okay, we got some kettle chips here. Then we got some mac and cheese shells. All right, then we have some English muffins. This is the cinnamon raisin brand. We like the cinnamon raisin more than the original. We'll eat both, but we just prefer to have the cinnamon raisin. Then we have some whole grain, multi-grain bread. And then we have a loaf of the white bread. Then I have some chicken thighs here. I'm gonna make a honey garlic chicken one day this week as well. And I'm looking forward to that. I actually have a new recipe that I want to try out. So we'll have that one day this week. Then I have some chopped meat over here. Okay, so I'll probably use that for a meatloaf next week sometime. I'll probably make a meatloaf. So yeah, guys, so have you guys ever tried this? When I tell you this is the best sweet tea, oh my goodness, this is the best sweet tea ever. You know, sometimes when you go into the store, see, I'm a sweet tea drinker. I love sweet tea. And you know, sometimes when you go in the store, you get the pure leaf. Pure leaf is good as well, but I just prefer Joe's. I think Joe's sweet tea is the bomb. It's so good. So that would be it, guys. That's all of our food, all of our groceries that we got today. My few items that I was supposed to get. Go figure that, right? Shame on me. But anyway, guys, so we're going to get ready to put all this food up. I already prepared dinner. We're having some pork chops tonight with some rice and okra and tomatoes. And I also added some corn to the mixture as well. I'll show you what that looked like. Let me take a walk over there. Okay, guys, so this is the okra and tomato with corn. We're going to put this over some white rice. And then we have some pork chops here. Some good old pork chops. Yep. Okay. Alright, y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your evening. Okay. And I will see you next time. Alright. Talk to y'all later.